Reading Horizons is proud to introduce the newly expanded Reading Horizons Discovery Structured Literacy program that now includes Sound City. We created Sound City to help students build phonemic awareness skills. Inside the Sound City add-on kit for classroom instruction, there is a Soundwall Teacher's Manual that includes 44 lessons, one for each phoneme. We also include a daily phonemic awareness lessons manual, 2 Soundwall posters, 1 phoneme card set, and 25 portable Soundwall cards for each student. For more information about the newly expanded Reading Horizons Discovery Structured Literacy Program or to speak with your Reading Horizons representative, please visit readinghorizons.com.